Hello everybody, today I'm gonna open this package which I got through my friend. This is gonna be an action camera, so let me just open this. Okay, so here is it. Let's see what's inside. Okay, I hope it will come good. It's an action camera from Eken. I bought every possible accessories with the camera. So let's see. I hope everything will be okay here. I've got lots of tons of wow, it's a lot. Okay, packaging. Here's a little brochure. Okay. And let's see this. This is where you can mount into your shoulder. Okay, this is mount for the shoulder. And this is the mount for your head. Okay. Here's two of them is there. And here, let me open up the box. It came with a hard case. So this is the moment of truth. So what's inside here? Okay, this is, I don't know, something to clip on. Cleaner. This is the camera itself. 4K. Okay, here. And some straps, USB cable, some stuff there. This is another mount. The second mount is the same thing. These two are the same. Okay. Third one. Okay. Oh, this is extra cover where you can use without the case. If you don't want to use this case, you can use this. Okay, this is the remote, I think. Oh, it's a battery. Sorry. Another mount. Another clip-on mount. Another mount here. This is a charger. There's also another mount. Lots of mount here. This is the selfie stick. Okay. And this is the remote. Another cover. Another strap. And the case itself. So that's it. This is it. This is exciting. Hi everybody, I'm back here again. This is Eken H8R. H8R. So it didn't come with a box, the actual box. It came with a case. I ordered with a case, so it came with a case here, and I've shown all those things, whatever include with the product, with the in the order. So this one I've checked with this one, and I've even tried using the app with the mobile, with the phone, and it is coming very good. It is working very well. Um, one thing is that the camera gets heat up, so it's getting heat up. So maybe it's just like that, maybe, I don't know. If you know anything about this issue, let me know in the comments below. If you're using one of these and it is getting heat up, then let me know. And so this is the camera. It's gonna be like this. I'll upload some videos taken with this camera with different resolutions. I'll be taking with all the I'll try to take with all the resolutions that is in the camera, starting from 4K to 720p. So it came with the update firmware. It already have that 720 120 frames per second. This was the video that taken with this camera here with Eken H8R. Please subscribe the channel for more videos, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up. Thank you very much.